went wrong regarding this game?
Well, they didn't listen to the instructions today. We were in the game up to the 45th minute, and to have given up a soft goal at the end of the first half is very disappointing. We tried to get back and they caught us on the counter and they scored another one. So at that time, we thought we were out of the game. It was all over the place from there. But we have to just look forward to the game on Monday.
Do you think you were saving some energy for Monday, noting that this one had slipped?
Well, in the end, when we recognized that we couldn't have gotten it, we had to make a few changes just to rest some of the players for Monday, because this one has passed for having gone 3-0 down, an aggregate. Then not much we could have done, so we had to conserve some of the energy and look forward to Monday night's game.
Finally, regarding that Monday game, tell us now the plan coming to that game on Monday.
Well, we'll have to start recovery from tonight, and tomorrow we do a little light jog with a lot of liquid to ensure that the players are ready for Monday night. That's going to be a very big one. It's going to be very intense. So recovery is going to be most important. So that's what we can do from here on out. Not much we can do, and we're just going to ensure that they recover properly.
You're confident that you can get despite that
Well, we are in it to win it, and if we're in the quarterfinal, we have no other choice but to go for the victory, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to ensure that we recover properly, and we go for it 150%. Thank you.